Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel and this week's episodes of Ants Antiques. Today I'm going on a little adventure. I am going out to the shops. If you don't know, in fashion design what you do sometimes is you go and visit the stores, you go and see what's going on in the retail environment, see what everyone's got going on, see what's hot, what's not, all of that sort of stuff, what are the key shapes, everything like that. So today I'm going to the store. I'm going to go to Oxford Circus and I'm going to go look around, see what's there, see what's about. I think we're going to start in selfridges and work our way down all the way through and then finish around Soho. So it's going to be me and one other designer doing this today, and we're basically going to look for ideas, we're going to look for inspiration, we're going to look for kind of key shapes, key fabrics, we're going to look at, you know, the washes, the prints, all of that sort of stuff when it comes to what's new in store for this timing. Because at the moment what we're doing, we're designing a year in advance, so really we need inspiration and try and figure out what we're going to do for our range. So I need to go and get ready, I need to go and get changed, and then we'll head out. But the weather is crazy. Let me just show you the weather. Can't really see it, but it is raining like no one's business. Oh god, traipsing around the shops when it is raining is not fun, but we move. Okay, so let me go and get ready. Okay, so just headed out the door and it is raining so much, like, not a good day to be at the shops when it's raining so much. But you know what, I'm excited because I haven't been to the shops in ages. So as I said, we're going to start at Selfridges and then work our way down Oxford Circus. And then, yeah, get some really nice images, get some inspiration, figure out what we want to do for the next collection, and then go from there. Let's hurry up to the tube and get out of the rain. So just heading to Selfridges now, and I'm really shocked at how empty Oxford Circus is. I mean, I guess it's only like, what, nearly 10 o'clock, so, I mean, obviously restrictions and everything, but I didn't think it'd be this quiet. I'm at Selfridges. I don't actually know what time it opens. I thought it was like 10, but maybe it's a bit later, maybe it's 11. Let's go and see. Okay, no, it's closed. Okay, so we've just finished Selfridges. This is Adam. So Adam also works with me. Yeah, so we've just been in Selfridges. It was really good. We're just going to do the rest of Oxford Circus now, but I need to charge my phone as well because my battery is going to run out soon, so that's not good when I need to take a lot of photographs. Okay, so we're just stopping and having something to drink, get a bit of energy, and then we're going to make a plan of what we're going to do, where we're going to go, and then where we're ultimately going to have lunch as well. So that's good. Okay, so we are stopping for lunch and we have come to Five Guys. I'm so excited, I haven't had a Five Guys in so long. So good. Have you ever been to In-N-Out? Yeah, it's really good. It's just so good. I am so surprised how quiet it is. Even down Carnaby Street, Oxford Circus was dead. There was no one there. there's not many people shopping. I mean, the weather isn't great, but I wouldn't have thought it would have stopped people shopping as much as it has done. Maybe it is COVID. Do you think it is? Yeah. So far, we've seen a lot of stuff, a lot of inspiration, you know, really nice details, key things. So, you know, really happy with the shopping trip so far, but gonna keep going. Alright, okay, so we're done now. I'm gonna say bye, but I'll probably do like a little rundown of what we've done and everything, what the styles are and all of that when I get home. So, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I am back from the shops and it was really good, to be honest. It was really nice to get to know Adam, who is one of the designers on the team. We got on really well. We figured out that we've got the same sofa, which is really funny. But yeah, overall the shops were really good. Final thoughts for the day. There's a lot of trend going on that's really interesting. It seems like there's two halves to it. So there's one side that's a little bit more casual and it's very focused on kind of jersey, joggers, hoodies, that sort of stuff. There's a lot of psychedelic prints and kind of tie-dye and stuff like that going on, so that's really nice. But on the flip side, there's also quite a nice little formal story coming through. Obviously, as we come out of lockdown, people are going back to work, people are going out more, clubs, pubs and all of that sort of stuff are starting to open. So as people go to these places, they're going to want more kind of dressier things. They can't just turn up to a pub in their loungewear. It seems like there's a subtle shift to that smarter element. But overall, it was a really good day. I guess this is kind of like a little peek into what designers do when they go on research trips to other countries like Tokyo, Korea, when we go to New York or LA or any places like that. We'd probably go shopping 3 or 4 days in a row and it is so tiring. But it's a really fun experience, so I'm really glad that I'm in the industry that I'm in, so I can actually go and have a bit of a look around the shops. Obviously, this is just one day, and now what I've got to do is just pull together a report to let everyone know what's going on in the shops, what people are doing in stores, and all of that sort of stuff. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you like this video, if you want to see more behind the scenes of what it is to be a fashion designer and all of that sort of stuff. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, it really does help my channel to grow. Please also check out my Etsy shop where you can buy cards and vectors to help support you in your everyday design life. Otherwise, I'll see you here every Monday and Thursday with a brand new video. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Right, bye. Tra tra tra. Bye.